How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an easy way to get veins to pop out of your arms, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we are going to do, you guys, is going to be twists. I love this exercise. It's probably my favorite exercise for the arms. And it's my favorite because it works. I notice when I'm doing this, the end of this exercise, I can really see the veins popping. When doing this, you want to do high reps, minimum 20 reps. Perfect, quick little break. The next exercise we're going to do is arm circles. So we're going to go like this. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we are going to go into a squeezing movement. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. The point of this exercise is to squeeze the entire time. If you're not squeezing the entire time, then this exercise is not going to be effective. You have to squeeze really, really hard the whole entire time. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. A little bit of a break. Okay, we are going to go to arm curls. So we're going to get our hands like this, and we are going to curl. This does work our biceps really, really good. It'll work your forearms too. It is a forearm exercise too. But it's also an arm workout. Arm exercise, I mean. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go arm twists. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go back to squeezing. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold this. Again, hold it really, really tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there, almost there. Perfect. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.